6. Subtle habits that undermine your confidence and lower your status. Closed off. Body language. Imagine you're on a date and you find yourself constantly looking down, avoiding eye contact, and sitting with your arms crossed. While you might think you're just nervous, these nonverbal cues can signal insecurity and discomfort to others. Such closed-off postures, like slouching, looking away, or crossing your arms, can make you appear unapproachable and lacking in confidence. Solution: adopt an open and expansive posture. Sit upright, maintain gentle eye contact, and offer a genuine smile. This body language conveys confidence and openness, making you seem more self-assured and engaged. 2. Tentative speech. In a work meeting, your boss asks for your input on a project. You respond with, "I think maybe we could try this. I'm not sure though." Even if your idea is brilliant, such tentative language filled with filler words like "I think," "maybe," or "you know," can undermine your credibility. It suggests a lack of conviction and can lower your perceived status. Solution: practice articulating your thoughts with clarity and confidence. Before speaking, take a moment to collect your thoughts and then express your ideas assertively. Recording yourself answering questions and reviewing the playback can help you identify and eliminate filler words over time. 3. Generic conversations. At a networking event, you meet someone impressive and nervously blurt out, "What do you do?" or "Where are you from?" While these questions are common, they often lead to mundane conversations and can make you seem disinterested or unoriginal. Solution: engage others with unique and thought-provoking questions that show genuine curiosity. For example, ask, "What's been the most exciting part of your job lately?" Or, "What inspired you to pursue this field?" Such questions can spark meaningful conversations and leave a lasting impression. 4. Overreacting to social missteps. Imagine you're at a party and make a joke that doesn't land. People don't laugh, and instead of brushing it off, you awkwardly apologize or retreat into silence. This reaction can make the situation more uncomfortable and signal that you're overly concerned with approval. Solution: embrace the moment with humor and confidence. If a joke falls flat, laugh at yourself and say, "Well, that one didn't work. Let's try another." This approach shows resilience and the ability to handle social missteps gracefully. 5. Unnecessary bragging. During a casual conversation, someone mentions their recent vacation. You interrupt to say, "Oh, I've been to that place too. First class, of course. It's one of my favorite spots." While you might think this adds to the conversation, it can come across as trying too hard to impress, signaling insecurity. Solution: focus on genuine connection rather than self-promotion. Instead of bragging, express interest in the other person's experience by asking, "I love that spot. What did you enjoy most about it?" This keeps the spotlight on them and makes you appear confident and secure. 6. People-pleasing at your own expense. A group of friends is deciding where to eat. Someone suggests sushi. And even though you dislike sushi, you say, "Sure, that sounds great." You spend the evening quietly picking at your food, feeling resentful. Consistently agreeing to please others, even at your own expense, signals that you don't value your own needs. Solution: practice assertiveness by expressing your preferences respectfully. For instance, you could say, "I'm not a big fan of sushi. How about we consider another option?" Being honest about your needs shows self-respect and can lead to more authentic relationships. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about embracing who you are and presenting yourself authentically. By addressing these subtle habits, you can enhance your self-assurance and positively influence how others perceive you.